What do you think about the logo on top? So yeah, I was thinking about creating a channel dedicated to the research of blockchain, Hyperledger Fabric, Solidity and such technology. There are no actual resources available on the YouTube in video format, and I had to go through documentation and research paper in the old school way. And I'm not a big fan of that method. I just want to consume YouTube content or video content in that format I learned best. So that's why, since there was no content in that format which was completely dedicated to the research of blockchain, and the one which were available were either through Harvard or Stanford, or like more of a school lecture type, not just fun YouTube which can make learning or research of blockchain fun. So that's why I am creating this YouTube channel, and then I'll be uploading this video of me creating this YouTube channel. Like the biggest paradox. So at first, let me create a channel. Yes, the name is gonna be Blockchain Einstein. So let's create channel. So I'm just documenting the process. Yep, the channel has been created. Let me customize the channel. I will be uploading this logo as my thing. So basic info. So let me just type some basic info that I think or that I believe in the most. Description. And alright. I think this looks good. I'll upload the branding material I have made on Canva. Canva is a great tool that I use mostly. So I have developed several design on logos. So over here you can see the logo that I had like in my mind or I had designed previously. So it has all the compilation of everything. So and then I finalized one from here. So this is the evolution of the logo. You can see this one looks funny, right? think that 12. Yep, 11, 12. This is the final. Alright, now I'll be uploading it. Done. Done. Publish. I think the channel has been created. Yep, the channel has been created. So right now I am done creating the channel. So the main thing that I'll be doing on this channel is pretty simple, basic research, and we'll be talking about different type of things like that. So yeah, I'll be making shorts video as well on blockchain. So let's see how it goes. And currently I'll end this video here, and I'll make this as the first video, creating the channel on blockchain. Let's see how it performs, and we'll share analytics here. It's more of a documenting the process of my research works. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you're gonna enjoy the journey. Take care.